By now, I'm sure you've seen those amazing 3D photos on Facebook. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to do this. Firstly, you really must have a phone that can do portrait photos. Currently, it's anything that's a plus, like an iPhone 7, iPhone 8, and X, and I'm guessing anything that from there on. Currently, this can only be done on a phone. Now just look how real these look. It's literally like he is there in front of me. Make sure you've got the most updated version of Facebook. Then open your Facebook. Click Facebook 360. Make sure you go in and like that page. Then once I've liked it, I like to close out of the app just to make sure it's registered that I have actually liked it. Open the Facebook page again. Go to your status update. Create a post. And then you'll see down the bottom, there should be a new little selection for you called 3D photo. Select 3D photo, and what this will do is take you to your portraits. If it doesn't, select the portrait photos because it has to be a portrait photo to have that depth in the photo. Hit next. Say something about your fabulous photo. And now share it with the world. And there it is. Oh, you can go and like mine too if you like. Anyway, have fun and enjoy.